What's going on YouTube? Today is a new video. In today's video, we're working on the truck. Yes sir, solo vlog. Should be fairly simple. If it's simple stuff, it's mainly gonna be me by myself. But let's show y'all what I'm doing to the truck. We are installing a dash cam on the F-150. I got it on Amazon. That's the brand, True. I bought their hardwiring kit. This does come with the, I can open it, but it comes with, you know, you can plug it in right here. But me personally, I don't want that. I'd rather have it, I want the wires hidden. So it's gonna go up through there and through there, and it's gonna come around here, down the A pillar, come around, and then it go to my fuse box right here. You can't see it, but it's back here where the F-150 fuse boxes are, right here. So it should be easy. So this should only take me like a good maybe an hour ish. So, and I figured I should show y'all. But let's open this up. It's a 2-channel voice controlled smart dash cam. User manual. There's the camera. Here's all the extra stuff. But the main thing is this. That's the extra thing I bought. This the hardwired kit. This is gonna go into my fuse box. So yeah, that's the plan on that. Once that's set up, everything should work. So yeah, let's show you what to do with this, because I'm gonna need this, and get down there. Okay, everybody. My phone's charging. Don't mind that. So I got it up. There it is. I took a little bit of the weather stripping and brought it down here. You can kind of see it right there. This piece pops off. I put it back here. It probably can go more back there. Yeah, just a little bit. It's back there, and it comes down here. I'm gonna put all the excess wire. Look, I didn't have to untangle that, so I'll probably just put it all back here, like so. I grounded it there. Now the fuses. So, Chrisfix, you know, he does everything. He's literally the best. So for my truck, I got into this fuse. I think that's the very last fuse. That's fuse 31. That's gonna be your power. Always, that's the power that always has 12 volts at all times. And then pretty much my remote wire, the yellow one, is, yeah, let's just say remote right there, right? Or whatever, auxiliary. That one is up here, and that's the very top fuse, 22. And that should only get power once you turn the key. So there's that. And then obviously my ground's there. So I'm gonna put everything back. This would have been easier, but I had a hard time trying to figure out what fuse to use. And I did have some empty ones. I had some empty, like, little spaces. Where is one? I think I can't see it no more. There was some over here. Like, I think one right here. And there was like another one right here. But these felt really loose. Like right now these are tight. So I'd rather have that. So there's that. And I had to look up a diagram, because I do have the owner's manual, but I put it back in here because it does not tell me what each fuse is. Like 31, it's for the radio, I believe. Well, there's like two of them for the radio. I think 31, I think 7 is also a radio. I have to look at it again. But yeah, and then this one was something about my power locks and moonroof, which I don't have a moonroof, so it's just pretty much, if you're gonna do this, do not put anything important, you know, like ECU, PCM, brakes, I don't know, anything that sounds important, like music or radio. That's not important. You know what I mean? So yeah, pretty much don't do anything important, or can do it like that. So, but there's that. I'm gonna clean everything up and then pretty much show you how it looks. You know, it makes it look nice and hidden. I do plan on getting another dash cam for my daily, my Lincoln. So I mean, if I sit in the driver's seat, I probably won't see it, but it looks kind of hidden. I try to tuck this wire up more, but I think that's the best I can do. But it's not much. It's all in the headliner. I use it comes with a little tool that to push in, so pretty lit. Oh, I forgot, I gotta take this off, and I still need to go buy an SD card. But it's pretty late, so I might go do that tomorrow. I should have done that before. Oh, there's one on that side too, so I forgot to take that off too. All right, so let me clean everything up and then we'll show you. All right, guys, I decided to change my mind. I'm gonna get the SD card today, just so I can test all the functions. So, kind of feel bad. I'm coming in at Walmart 30 minutes before they're closing, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm gonna get the SD card right now. Good news, everybody. I got what I needed. 256 gigabytes. Now we're gonna get into daily and head home and then pretty much finish up what I was doing. Eventually, the Lincoln will get a dash cam too, but as of right now, not right now. Even though I barely drive my truck, I'd rather have the truck have one first before the Lincoln, because I like my truck. So let's go back. All right, hey everyone, this is me in the future while editing the video. I noticed that I forgot to show y'all how it looks. So there it is when it's actually done. You know, that's how it looks. And as you can see, no wiring. You don't see any of it except for this, obviously. But other than that, it's hidden. It goes on top of the headliner, down the A-pillar, around the corner right here, and into the fuse box. Little note: if you use the fuses I use, the way I do it, you won't be able to put this back on, because I think on the very top one, what is it, 22, the cable is going out that way, and you don't want to, you know, obviously this is going to squish it. So I just took it off. It's fine. But I will leave a link to that as well, so y'all can get one for yourselves. It's on Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link to the video I watched and how to do it myself if you want a more detailed explanation. Everybody knows Chrisfix, but either way, I'm gonna leave his video in the description so y'all can go watch it. And I'm gonna leave another link for another video of all the fuses and what they go to, because that's what I watch. Because my owner's manual, you can't see it, but you can see the papers right there, but it doesn't tell me what fuse go to what. And one more thing, I'm gonna go drive it. Oh, look, it's on. I don't know what it sends, but it turned on. Oh, it detected a collision. I have this sense. There's a collision setting you can do on the app, and you can set it to the highest setting is 5, so it's really sensitive. So I didn't even hit the truck. I think I opened this, or I opened the door or something, and catches it. So that's pretty good, pretty cool. So I'm gonna drive it and show you how it looks outside, and then get the footage from there, and then put it onto the video. So let's go do that.
It's the home of the Dodgers. It's the home of the Lakers. Shout out to
Well, guys, the end of the vlog. Got everything done. Got the SD card in the truck. Works great. So all I do is just put it in. There's really nothing special. So now I have cloud storage, and I can see footage and stuff, and save it into the SD card, and then use it for content and stuff. So yeah, I'll catch you on the next video. Take care and be safe. Peace.